Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your CBSE Class 10 admit card. For most students, your school will provide this crucial document. It's essential for appearing in the board examinations. Private candidates, however, will follow a different process, downloading theirs directly from the official CBSE website. We will cover both methods in detail, ensuring you are fully prepared. Remember, checking all details on your admit card is a vital first step. If you are a regular student, your school is your primary point of contact for the admit card. Schools usually distribute these important documents approximately 2 to 3 weeks before the board examinations commence. Make sure to collect your admit card in person from your school's administrative office or the designated examination department. Always verify all the printed information immediately upon receiving it to ensure accuracy. For private candidates, the process involves an online download. You will need to visit the official CBSE academic website and locate the admit card download portal. To access your admit card, you will typically be required to enter your application number, your previous roll number, and your date of birth. Once downloaded, it is highly recommended to print at least 2 or 3 copies for your records and for examination day. Once you have your admit card, it is absolutely crucial to perform a thorough check of all the details. Carefully verify your name, your father's name, your mother's name, and your date of birth. Also, ensure your photograph, signature, and the examination center details are correct. If you find any discrepancies, report them immediately to your school or directly to CBSE for prompt correction before the examination date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.